Hey guys, so this is going to be a video about my top favorite drugstore highlighters. And these are highlighters that I have almost used up. I've been using these highlighters for multiple years. These are my ride or die. These are my drugstore favorites. So the first one I'm going to talk about is a very popular one. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold 100. This one is metallic, it's pigmented, it's not glittery. It's beautiful. I am actually wearing that today. I always like to apply a highlighter on top of a liquid highlighter to just really amplify the highlighter. So this metallic highlighter is what it says it is. It's a metallic highlighter, and when you apply this on top of a liquid highlight, it just really emphasizes the highlight in this product. So this is about $10. I've had this for about, I'm just gonna guess 3 years, and I hit pan on it and then it broke up on me. It's just such a soft, fluffy, metallic highlight. This is something that you need. Even if you don't usually buy drugstore products, this one will trick you because this is such a affordable and amazing, vibrant highlighter. And the next highlight that I'm going to be talking about is the most affordable of them all, and this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glo highlight in the shade Precious Petals. This highlight is beautiful. It's so affordable. It has a little bit of glitter to it, but not really, because I don't like a glitter highlighter. I want a vibrant metallic highlight. And this one also, when set on top of a liquid highlight, is just blinding. And it's so affordable. It's just so good. Like this one, it's a very champagne-y highlight. For the price, for this Wet n Wild highlight, you can't go wrong. This is just so affordable. I've had this one for about 1.5 years or a year or two. This is just, it has to be a top because it's amazing and it's super affordable. So the next highlight I'm going to talk about is a product from the company Hard Candy. This is sold at Walmart, and this is the Tiki Highlight. This is really popular a couple of years ago. It's a drugstore baked highlighter, and as you can see, I hit pan. And this highlight is beautiful. It's champagne, it's very fair. It's a very fair highlight, it's very light, so when you got that tan going on and you apply this highlight, it's just amplified even more. It is a baked product, so I feel like baked products over the years aren't as vibrant as they were before. However, I still use this and I love it. Look at that. It's got this was very popular a couple years ago. I probably had this for 5 years. It's got this fair champagne-y light gold kind of highlight to it. Also, there's no glitter, it's just shimmer, but it's not metallic. It's kind of like a natural highlighter. And this was also around the $10 price point. And so, last but not least, this is a product from the company Pixi, which is at Target. And it's not drugstore, but it's sold at Target. The price point is not exactly the most affordable, but this highlight is amazing, and I got this in an Ipsy bag, I got this in an Ipsy bag. And this is the Pixi by Petra, and these are the shade Peach Honey. It says Beauty Blush Duo, but this is definitely a highlight. And it comes with 2 different shades. There's a pink and a peach. And when I use this, I just apply them all together, and it is just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pinky peach highlight. And this, I believe, retails in a bigger size product around $18, but this is sold at Target, so it's kind of drugstore. It has the same availability as drugstore products at Target, but it's not the same price point. However, this product is amazing. This was one of those products that I got in my Ipsy bag that I wasn't very excited about, and then whenever I started using it and I applied it, I just like instantly fell in love. I was like, wow, I can't believe I judged this product before I got to use it, because it can achieve amazing, like just a beautiful shade to put on top of your blush and like the apples of your cheeks. Definitely like a beautiful time, definitely like a beautiful color for spring and summer. I've had this product for maybe about a year or two, and that completes my favorite drugstore highlighters. These are highlighters that I have been using for multiple years and that I feel like have given me a really great highlight for an affordable price. And if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. I love makeup, I love talking about makeup, and I love tutorials.